Gardening for Beginners, Tips and Tricks to Start Your Own Garden. Welcome to our Gardening for Beginners video. Gardening is a fun and rewarding hobby that can provide fresh produce, beautiful flowers, and a sense of accomplishment. In this video, we'll show you some tips and tricks to start your own garden, even if you've never gardened before. Step 1. Choosing a location. The first step to start a garden is to choose a good location. Look for a spot that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight a day and has well-draining soil. If you don't have a backyard, you can use pots or raised beds on a balcony or patio. Step 2. Types of plants. Next, decide on the types of plants you want to grow. Vegetables like tomatoes, lettuce, and peppers are great for beginners, as are herbs like basil, rosemary, and thyme. Flowers like marigolds and zinnias are also good choices. Step 3. Soil preparation. Before planting, prepare the soil by removing any weeds, adding compost or organic matter, and tilling or aerating the soil. This will provide a healthy environment for your plants to grow. Step 4. Planting. When planting, follow the instructions on the seed packet or plant label for the proper depth and spacing. Water the plants well after planting, and continue to water regularly to keep the soil moist. Step 5. Maintenance. To keep your garden healthy, water regularly, fertilize as needed, and weed regularly. Prune any dead or diseased branches or leaves. Step 6. Harvesting. When your plants are ready, harvest them by picking the fruit or cutting the flowers. Don't be afraid to experiment with different recipes using your fresh produce or create beautiful flower arrangements for your home. Step 7. Common problems. As a beginner, you may encounter some common problems like pests or diseases. Do some research on the specific plants you are growing to learn how to prevent or address these issues. Conclusion. Thanks for watching our Gardening for Beginners video. We hope these tips and tricks have inspired you to start your own garden. Remember, gardening is a learning experience, so don't be discouraged if you make mistakes. Have fun and enjoy the process.